Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Maltego latest version, that is 4.9 on Kali Linux 2025. By default we will get the Maltego. See, here we have the Maltego, but this is not latest version, so we are going to download and install Maltego latest version. Open any web browser, then go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Then click on resources. Then for customers, see here we have to create an account, then we have to download. So first to create an account, click on it. Then here we have to provide email, first name and last name. Then we have to click on continue. After that set the password. Okay, once, see, I have already created account, Maltego ID. Then go to Maltego site again click on resources, then for customers, then select download Maltego. Then see here, select the operating system Linux and extension as .debian package. Okay, then click on download Maltego graph. See, download started and its size is 204 megabytes. Wait until download complete. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Also see here, if you want to get this setup guide, click on here. It will open in new tab. Then you have to click on this setup Maltego graph. Then you can follow the steps. This is for Maltego graph. If you want to Maltego search, click on here, Maltego evidence, Maltego monitor. Okay, so close this one. See, still it is downloading. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Maltego. Install it, sudo dpkg -i, give the Maltego, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, then search for Maltego, then click on Maltego application. See, now it is loading Maltego. See here, version of the Maltego is 4.9.2. See, welcome to Maltego. Now we have to activate. See here, activation options. We have license key or Maltego ID. We can activate by using license key or Maltego ID. Select Maltego ID and click on next. Then see here we have two types of activation methods, offline or online. Online is the default one. Select the online activation and click on next. Then this is the general terms and conditions for software licenses and accompanying services. Read these licenses and select the checkbox, that is accept, and click on next. Then here we have to log in with Maltego ID. So click on this browse login. Wait a moment. See, now we have to log in the registered Maltego ID. So provide your Maltego ID. Then provide the password that we have set for this account. Then click on sign into Maltego. See, authentication completed. Now go to Maltego application. See, browser login was successful. Also see here, have fun using Maltego. Click on next. Wait a moment, it is activating with Maltego ID. See, we got the graph desktop Maltego community edition. Also see here in the background it populated the information. Then click on next. Now install transforms from utilities or Maltego local transform server. So select it and select the first one. See, if you have the Maltego URL, you have local transform server, you have to select this one. I don't know, so click on next. Now it is downloading data sources. See here, download completed. The following items were downloaded: 16 application servers, 81 icons, 2 entities, 8 machines, 55 transform sets and 196 transforms. Click on next. See, this is the just a disclaimer. Select it and select the checkbox and click on next. Now it is installing the data sources. Click on next. If you want to send automatically error reports, then you have to select the checkbox. Otherwise, click on next. Now we have to select the default browser. See, here we have the options like Chrome, Chromium, Mozilla and Firefox. Okay, select the default browser. Then see, by default it is the default system browser, so select it and click on next. Privacy mode, see, here we have the stealth and normal. I am going with normal, then click on next. Oh, now ready to go, ready, set, go. Okay, so we have successfully configured. Now if you want to open blank graph and let me play around, you have to, and if you want to sample graph, select this one or go away. I have done this before. See, it is up to you. So open the sample graph and click on finish. Wait a moment, it will open the sample graph. See, we got the sample graph for this maltego.com official website. Click on OK. Now close this one, close this one. See, here if you click on this one, see, the domain name is maltego.com, and see here these are the entity palettes. See, here we have the different entities like machines, transforms, cryptocurrency, etc., devices, events, etc. Information is there. General, Google, Vision, groups, infrastructure. See, we have different options. See, this is a sample one. If you want to create new one, you have to click on new. See, here we have the options like investigate, view, entities, collection, transforms, machines, collaboration, import, export. Different options are there. Okay. See, if you want to copy, you have to click on here. If you want to new graph, click on new. See, this is the example graph and this is the new graph. Then you have to select the entity options. Then you have to provide the information. Okay. So we have successfully installed Maltego 4.9.2 community edition. Now go to the terminal again. ls, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed Maltego 4.9.2. rm, view Maltego, give the tab. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Maltego latest version, that is 4.9.2 community edition on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.